What's up, buds? Welcome to Jay's Tasty Vids and Vlogs, and today I'm gonna make limber de coco, which is a Puerto Rican coconut icy, and it's delicious. It's very refreshing for the summertime, and it's currently summer, so this is a great time to make it. And I have some playlist links I'm gonna leave in the description. One is Jay's Tasty Vids, which is just a playlist of all my cooking videos. Then Jay's Spanish recipes, which is where you'll find all my Spanish food videos. And then videos I did during the COVID-19 pandemic. And I'm also gonna leave the link to my Instagram page so you can check it out. So let's get started. Alright, so we need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, which is half a pint. And then 2 cups of whole milk. And now 1 can of coconut milk. And then 1 can of sweetened condensed milk.
You're gonna scrape it off?
Yes. And,
okay.
And I'm gonna scrape it off with a spatula.
Okay, sounds good. You got pretty much everything?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Okay.
And make sure your hands are clean.
Of course.
Whatever is not not coming off of the spatula, I'll use my finger.
Okay. You got it.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Oh, that's full. That's full of a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Sticky sugar off my hand.
Of course. You don't want to have sticky fingers, right?
No.
Yeah. I hear that. That's a lot of ingredients.
I know, it was 3 milks plus cream.
Okay.
Alright, so now we can blend this.
Okay.
Unmix for a few seconds until well blended.
Okay.
Did that for like 30 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Looks well blended, so now we'll go over to our cups. These are 9-ounce cups. You could also use 7-ounce cups.
You want to taste it first?
Yeah, let me get a spoon to taste it.
It's good?
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yes.
I'm going to pause this 1 second.
Alright, so my mom wanted to taste it, so, and now we're back. So we're gonna fill these up up to the last line.
Hold on a second.
Alright, bud, we were getting a napkin in case some of it spilled.
We're going to try to fill all those cups. If we have more left, then we can fill them up a little higher?
Yes, up to the top.
Okay.
We probably won't have enough, like, after doing all 7 of these cups. We probably won't have enough to fill another cup, but we'll have enough to
Make them higher.
To fill them like to the top, all the way to the top.
Although it seems like you have a lot, actually. We have a lot left. Look at that. Oh, we have one more cup over there.
Yes.
All right, after we fill this one up, we'll get more cups, okay?
All right, yeah.
How about that? Is that good?
Yep.
Okay. So
It should be enough to fill up another cup, actually.
Or more. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway.
We'll try.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I stopped to get a napkin. Okay. So, hold on, buds, right?
Yep.
Hold on.
We'll be back soon.
All right, cool.
All right, bud. So, I got another cup.
I think with that we can fill them up a little more. What do you say?
Sure, yeah. Let's
mix it? You want to swish it around?
Yeah, like this.
Right.
But this might not be enough to fill up like an
No.
entire cup. But
so just fill those up. I think you have enough to fill them up. That's it.
Yeah.
Then the others.
All right, yeah.
Maybe. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay. Well, you may not have to fill up all of them, but
Yeah, that's okay. It's okay if you don't.
It's okay. It's all right.
All right, there we go.
Okay, good enough.
Yep.
So now we have a total of 8 cups, is it?
Yep. Now we have 8 cups.
Okay.
Mine was enough to fill 8.
Okay, so I think that the 4 that are fuller, we can put the sprinkles. I mean, not sprinkles. I'm sorry.
The cinnamon.
And the coconut, and the ones that are not fuller, those are the ones we can flip.
Yes, those are the ones that once we freeze, that will like like pop, push open and then flip.
Yeah.
All right. So
This is optional.
Yes, this is optional. By the way, these are the 4
That are most full.
cups. Yeah, this is optional, but you can sprinkle some cinnamon on top, like for garnish and even for extra flavor.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Yeah.
And then some coconut flakes.
Yeah, some coconut flakes, some shredded coconut. For extra garnish.
Mm-hmm. Just a bit to make it look pretty.
Yeah.
Okay. Last but not least, put about the same amount on all of them.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah. Alright, I think we're pretty good now.
Okay.
Alright, so for these ones, you could just eat them directly out of the cup with a spoon.
Mm-hmm.
And these ones you can push open and flip over, which I'll show you.
Well, tomorrow, not today.
Well, yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, right?
So what I was gonna say. So now they need to go in the freezer for at least 5 hours, but preferably overnight. So I'm gonna do overnight since that's preferred.
Yes.
All right. So I'll actually see you tomorrow when I taste them.
Okay. See you then, right?
See you then. Bye for now. All right, bud. So it's now the next day, and here it is. This is the one with the cinnamon and coconut flakes. So with this, I'm just gonna eat it with a spoon like this.
It might be hard a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's delicious.
That's why a lot of people just
Oh yeah.
don't do it. They just rub it and flip it over.
Yep, rub it, pop it out, grab it, and flip it over. That's how it's usually done. That's the traditional way. Alright, bud, so I scraped off the top and ate it, so now I'll show you the traditional way. So you pick it up and this way and
How is it?
it's totally delicious. Alright. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And peace out to Brooklyn till next video.